had so many compliments on
Have
it being
you?
shorter, yeah.
It starts to become a bit of a mid-length, doesn't it? Because your hair is so lovely and thick.
Yeah.
I'll do something called invisible layers.
Yeah.
They're like layers within the hair where you take weight out, but you don't get like layers like that sit up here, because that would actually make your hair bigger.
Yeah.
Gloss through it all.
Yeah.
Just to sort of freshen it up, darken it a little bit. Hey guys, so I'm using Uve now to create this beautiful chocolate brown colour that I'm going to put over the top of some previous highlights we did when we wanted to get some box colour out. And then I'm taking her hair back to a kind of long bob with some shaping in and those invisible layers that I was talking about, that's going to remove weight, create movement, but without making the hair too big. What do you guys think of this beautiful chocolate brown rich colour created with Uve and this cool undone bob?